Hello everyone. In today's video I am sharing a weight loss breakfast option which is quick and easy to make, which comprises of chickpea salad and ragi pancake. Chickpea salad is a very high protein breakfast option. Along with ragi pancake, it makes a full breakfast idea. For this, firstly we are going to grate carrots. Carrots are great source of beta carotene, full of fiber, has a lot of vitamin A content which makes them very good for our eyes, and it also makes our skin very beautiful. So I have grated 2 carrots. I wanted to make this along with the high protein, a very fiber rich salad. So I'm going to add a lot of vegetables into it. Firstly, the sweet carrot will go into it. Now the next thing that will go into the vegetable is cucumber. This time I am taking the cucumber with the skin and I will be cutting it like this. This removes all the bitterness of the cucumber and just cut the thin slice out of it, and then we are good to go. Actually I am cutting the cucumber with the skin as it has a lot of minerals which is just beneath the skin. So just clean it off and cut into small chunks. Cucumber is not only a good source of fiber, it's a very good source of magnesium, plus it's very hydrating. Therefore it makes the skin glow like anything, and we should add a lot of cucumbers if you are suffering from constipation. Usually what happens when we eat a high protein salad, there is a feeling of bloating. Many people suffer from constipation also. Whenever you are on high protein diet, make sure that you add a lot of fiber in it so that you are not constipated. And here goes the final cucumber. Now it's the time to cut the capsicum. I'm cutting the capsicum like this to remove the seeds easily, as seeds are not liked in the salad. Once again, the capsicum has a lot of vitamin C, and if we will eat raw capsicum, then there is no loss of vitamin C. So we should always try and eat it. Adding a lot variety of colors into the salad makes it nutritionally rich in minerals and vitamins, and they are appealing to the eyes also. So I'm just cutting the capsicum and then I'll be adding it to my salad bowl. Now here goes the final ingredient of the salad, which is fresh coriander leaves. I'll be chopping them and then putting them into my salad. Coriander not only enhances the flavor of the salad, but you won't believe it's also a good source of iron like our spinach, and it is easily absorbed by our body also. So make sure that whenever you have salads or cook anything, put a lot of coriander into it. It will increase the flavor plus the iron value of it. Next, I'm going to add again a little bit of green chili. It's completely optional. If you want it non-spicy, then you may skip it and add only black pepper to it. Now next in goes the most crunchy part of the salad, which is onion. Onion does not only make the salad crunchy, but they are a very good source of folic acid also. So you can include shallots also. Shallots are more nutritionally rich, but I didn't have them, so I am using the regular onion. Here goes the onion, and we are done with all the vegetables. And now comes the superhero of the salad, which is chickpea. I have soaked the chickpea or chole overnight and have boiled with salt. Now I am going to add lemon into it. Lemon not only adds the vitamin C to the salad, but it is very important for the iron absorption which is there in our chickpea. Chickpeas are good source of protein as well as iron. So people who are anemic should also have this salad, but make sure that you don't have it along with the tea because it hinders iron absorption. Next we are going to add black pepper and black salt to it. And now finally give it a good mix, but mix it gently. Actually I have overcooked the chickpeas. If you want to cook it, then cook it only to 90% of the value. Now finally our high protein chickpea salad is ready. I am going to serve it along with ragi pancake. So now let's quickly see how to make it. I am taking ragi flour. I have taken 3 tablespoons ragi flour. That will be good enough for making 2 pancakes, one for me and one for my husband, as we'll be sharing the breakfast. Since winters are coming, so it's a good option to include ragi into your diet. It's very warm, plus it has a good calcium content and again a good source of iron. I'll be grating ginger into it and then putting a little bit of green chili and then adding water to form a thin consistency paste like this. You may add water slowly so that there are no lumps. Slowly add water till you get this kind of desired consistency. And by the time we are mixing, you should also switch on your iron tawa so that it is heated very well so that the batter does not stick to it. And now our iron tawa is heated and we'll be pouring in a spoonful ladle of the batter and keeping the flame low, we'll be spreading it. While spreading, if something gets cooked and you have holes like this, then you may repair it like this. I usually do this. This happens with me quite a long time. But make sure that you add ghee to it as it is very dry. Whenever you are having any kind of super grain, then make sure that you have ghee. This helps in better nutrient absorption as it is very drying, and plus all the nutrients will easily get absorbed into our body. And one more thing, whenever people use ragi, jowar for the first time, they feel constipated. So if that is the case, that will be good if you add ghee to your super grains. And finally, our ragi pancake is cooked and ready to get served. It's a very filling breakfast. I hope you like the video. I thank all of you for watching my video. Do like and share the video with your family and friends. And if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing it for getting more videos about a good life and healthy food.